This is Carlos' cousin. So the present question is asking about the highlighted portion of the sentence beginning with Goddard here. Let's go ahead and read the whole sentence. Goddard discovers that with a properly shaped, smooth tapered nozzle, he could increase the ejection velocity 8 times the same amount of fuel he would use for a less aerodynamic shape. Well, in the previous question, we said that this should actually be in the past. So this should have said discovered. So the use here of he would use seems okay, maybe a bit wordy. Let's see if we find something a little bit more concise than he would use. Maybe um, he used. All right, so fuel, period. Okay, so let's see. So 8 times with the same amount of fuel, okay? He would have used for a less aerodynamic shape. So this actually here, even though we've got a period and a capital letter, this isn't a full sentence. He would have used for a less aerodynamic shape because we have the preposition for here isn't actually an independent clause. We need a subject and a verb. So without the for, we need something like he would have used a less aerodynamic shaped. And see how I pronounce this have? It's not actually of. Of is a strange preposition here. We want have to be the main verb and would to be a helping verb for it. So it's never would of, it's always would have. So for that reason, answer choice B would immediately be incorrect. Let's see if C is better than A though. Oh, so here, same idea. We just have a semicolon and the word have. So the word have is there now. And between two independent clauses, we can have period and semicolon be interchangeable as well as a conjunction and. But in this case, what follows is not an independent clause because of the word for that does not, allow have used to serve as a verb, even though, or would have used even, even though he seems like a fine subject. He would have used for a less aerodynamic shape is not a full sentence. So we can get rid of that. And then the last one, fuel he use for a less aerodynamic shape. So he use is not an appropriate conjugation here. Maybe if this was, in the subjunctive, which is very strange and not going to be tested on the exam, this would be okay. But what you usually want is he uses. And even then, we want something that is happening in the past. Goddard discovered, just like earlier Goddard wrote something. So the only answer choice that keeps it in the past, even if it's a bit wordy, is answer choice A. The amount of fuel he would use for a less aerodynamic shape, and it doesn't incur in these strange punctuation mistakes. I hope that helped with this problem, and happy prepping.